All right, let's hit it. The words today is eat, gin in Thai, right here. Gin, gin, gin means eat. Eating food, eating snacks, eating ice cream, eating whatever. Gin, okay? Eating dirt. Gin. God. All right, let's do it. Okay, how to use that in a sentence? Very easy. Okay, you point to it and you say, gin. Eating food, eating meal. Meal in Thailand, they call it khao. I don't know. They cover cow. Actually, cow mean rice. Okay, but since majority of food in Thailand is rice dishes and rice related food and meal, and just call it rice. Eat rice mean gin khao. People understand that. Okay. Another word for meal is ahan. Gin ahan. Okay. Sometimes people use it, but most of the time, in real life situation, they're gonna use gin khao. Gin khao is more commonly used in a casual setting, but you don't really use that in a business setting. But this is not the class for that. Okay, I will create a class for business related and intermediate and advanced in the future. But right now is introduction, beginner Thai. Okay. You go there for a week, 2 weeks. This is all you need to know. กินข้าว กินข้าว ผม กินข้าว means I eat rice, but actually it means I'm eating a meal. I'm having a meal. ผม กินข้าว You can ask a person in a question. คุณอยากกินข้าวไหม means do you want to go have a meal? Are you hungry? Okay. คุณอยากกินข้าวไหม Okay. คุณ means you. อยาก means want. กินข้าว means having a meal, eating a meal. ไหม is a question mark. คุณอยากกินข้าวไหม They might say, yeah, definitely. I'm hungry. อยากกิน means yes, I do want to eat it. Okay. Now, next one. กิน can also use for water, drinking. กินน้ำ กินน้ำ กิน is like consuming. It doesn't have to be like chewing something, you know. It's consuming water, consuming food, consuming snacks, right? Consuming dirt. กินน้ำ กินน้ำ means ผมอยากกินน้ำ It means I want to drink a glass of water. ผมอยากกินน้ำ I'm thirsty. Right now we concentrate on the word กิน. All right? กินน้ำ. You can use that. Okay? Now, next one is eating snacks, sweet snacks, dessert, cake, ice cream. We call that ขนม, general word for snacks, dessert, ขนม. ผมอยากกินขนม means I want to eat some dessert. I want to eat some snacks, some sweet. I have a sweet tooth. ผมอยากกินขนม. Okay? Now, next one. อาหาร like we said earlier, means type of food. Okay? It can be อาหาร Thai means Thai food. Okay? อาหารญี่ปุ่น means Japanese food. อาหารญี่ปุ่น อาหารจีน means Chinese food. So I can go over to teach you how to identify countries and people, you know, in the future, but this is not a class for it. So anyway, just keep it simple. อาหารไทย Okay? ผมอยากกินอาหารไทย means I want to eat Thai food. Okay? Now, you can say that right away. You know, right off the plane, you just walk up to someone and say, ผมอยากกินอาหารไทย. They'll point you to it. Okay, very easy. Nothing much to it, man. I mean, you know, กิน, just that. Practice that. กิน, and you'll get it. Okay? If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and I'll see you next time. Peace.